Hey guys, Sunroamer Overland here, and this is going to be my first ever YouTube video, and it's going to be a little how-to on fixing the cab to coach gap area when you go to paint your rig, and what you can do to replace that seal. And there's the beast right there that you all know and love. So be kind. This first time doing it, we'll see how it goes. And continue to follow because I got some pretty cool stuff coming up, including a new product that I think a lot of you overlanders, YouTubers, etc. are going to find very helpful. So stay tuned. Lock and load. So there's two gaps here. There's one that's a really thick gap up here and on both sides, and this one's a lot thinner gap. So I've cut it for the smaller gap first. I'm going to attempt to do that side, the other side, cut it for the bigger gap, and then come and do both tops and then tool it. Here goes nothing. That is a big, big gap. Wow. Other side. Okay, so hopefully this tool is similar to silicone, which would be just a water and soap mixture. And then you take into your hands. One thing you don't want this stuff to do is skin over before you pull your tape. Oops. Darn it. Don't want this to accidentally set my hand down on it while I've still got stuff on my fingers. So far this is working really good. After it dries, Definitely needs more on the top. Gonna have to let it dry to do that because it's wet, and that would be a good idea. So it's gonna be completely dry, and I'm gonna need to re-gap this area right to here. So let me show you what it looks like if I can move my whole tripod. So not too bad. It's got a nice line to it. For the most part, I can come through and probably clean it up, but you can see how much larger of a gap that is at the top. Well, there it is, guys. And I'll let you know if it works. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the first ever episode for Sunroader Overland. And wanted to let you know what the product was that I ended up using. It's a.seal by Dow Corning 795. And we'll give you an update once it cures and see exactly how everything worked.